Alright, today we're going to be replacing the coolant temperature sensor, and this is going to be on a 2007 Lexus ES350. And if you're looking from the front, you're going to follow this upper radiator hose here. You're going to come down, and it's going to be this sensor right here. And we're going to be using a 3/4 inch drive to remove it, or a wrench. Once you break that loose, you can just reach in there. There you go. It's best to do this job when you've either drained the coolant or you're servicing the radiator or something like that. When you don't have a lot of coolant in there, because once you remove this, you will have coolant that comes out of that hole there, and it'll drip down. Alright, so once you get the replacement, you're going to go to make sure that the new one has the washer on there, and you're going to thread it in by hand. Just going to go ahead and snug it up. You don't want to strip it. You don't want to go too tight. Just going to grab your connector and go and hook that back up. And make sure it's nice and snug. And that is it. And then once we get everything in there and we get the coolant back in the system, you're going to want to check that area for leaks. If it's still leaking, then you're going to want to tighten it up a little bit more. But just make sure that you're not going too tight and stripping it.